Hey guys, how's it going? This is Karol from Undisputed Market, and if you're watching this video, you're probably doing some research on YouTube on how to start affiliate marketing with Facebook. So in this video, we're going to dive deep into this topic and we're going to actually cover both paid versions, both paid methods and free methods of making money and doing affiliate marketing with Facebook, so you will have complete overview of what is the best fit for you. So let's dive into it, and before we even get into any of these methods, the first thing you gotta think of is what is your category, what is your niche you're going to get into. Now I know you probably hear it a lot in many other videos and many other tutorials and so on, but it's very important to really think over your niche that you want to be promoting, right? Because many people just they just don't really spend too much time on it. They don't pay attention to it, and they just take whatever product they find available and they just promote it, and that is really not the way how you will succeed in the long run, in the long term. And so the way how to choose the right niche, the category you want to promote, is basically to really think about what are you interested in. And now you probably hear it a lot that you gotta do something that you have a huge passion for and so on. Now I do believe that's correct. However, it's not necessary that you only will succeed with something you have a huge passion for. In fact, I do believe that you can be successful in any niche. However, you will need to have at least slight interest in that kind of topic, because you gotta understand that if you want to do affiliate marketing with the long run, which means that you want to do this as a stable business for yourself for upcoming years and so on, and you just don't want to get quick buck here and there, but you really want to get a stable income from affiliate marketing, then you will need to choose something that interests you, because otherwise you will just be doing something that you don't really enjoy doing, you don't really have any passion for or interest in the topic you are in and working in. So, and what's the point of doing affiliate marketing in this kind of industry and this kind of topic? So think about, first of all, the category you want to get involved in. Like for example, I'm in a make money online niche, make money online category, and so I really do like this idea. It's not my passion, to be honest, but I have a huge interest in this. I am really like obsessed, in positive manner, in this idea of making money online. So this is my interest, so that's why I am in this category. And you might have different passions, you might have different interests, and that's completely fine, but just choose something that you have either a huge passion for or huge interest in. So that's my first advice. Now, when you already got your category, your niche, then you gotta think about your audience. What are they like? What do they like to see? What are they, what is their communication? What do they like to see, hear? What are their pain points? What are the struggles? What are the benefits that they want to think about this? Get into the shoes of your potential customers, right? And in that way you will capture their attention way more successfully than in any other way. So this is basically the beginnings of basically in any business, to be honest with you, because if you know all of these things about your customers, then you will succeed. Then you have the right steps towards succeeding in any business at all. So let's get back to our topic, which is Facebook affiliate marketing. So let's talk about the two methods that we mentioned earlier in the video, which is the paid method and free method. So with paid method, you will use Facebook ads. Now, Facebook ads are widely known. Probably everybody heard of it, everybody experienced it, especially if you are on Facebook registered, then you probably experience them more than once, right? And so Facebook ads, there are good things and bad things about Facebook ads. First of all, the good things is that Facebook ads are a very good source of good traffic, to be honest. If you know how to set up all of these settings and the Facebook ad manager especially, then you will get good traffic, which means quality people into your affiliate marketing business. And also a great thing is that with Facebook ads you can literally tap into and get as specialized people, or as the thing that I'm trying to say is that with Facebook ads there are so many settings that you can possibly go for, that it really get into the demographic of the people, and you can get even the perfect age of your customers. You can get the interest they are interested in, their hobbies, their habits, and so on, and you can literally get into the ideal customer of your business. Now on the other hand, the negatives of Facebook ads is that not many people who are starting with affiliate marketing have too much cash to really invest into the business. In fact, most of us affiliate marketers who are starting, or are at least thinking about affiliate marketing, we don't really have that much of cash flow or money to invest in, especially at the beginnings. And with Facebook ads, it's one thing to get good training on Facebook ads, and you can get really good trainings. You can learn how to set up all of the ads properly. However, you still need to test a lot, because you got to understand that even though you will get the best training in the world for that particular product you are offering, it all depends. There are so many factors that you cannot really learn from any course what exactly is the perfect way for you. So you gotta test a lot, and it all depends also on how much are you going to spend each day on those Facebook ads. If you are going to spend 1,000 a day, then your results are going to be much different than if you are going to spend, I don't know, $5 a day, right, on this Facebook ads. So these are just like the things that you gotta think about, and just keep them in mind when you are going to go for Facebook ads. Now, the other negative thing about Facebook ads, which I personally don't really like, is that Facebook can shut your ads manager account whenever they just think about it, literally. And there are so many stories about very successful marketers who have their Facebook ads account shut down just literally out of nowhere. And many people have spent thousands of dollars each month on Facebook ads, and they haven't necessarily done anything wrong. It was just like something they didn't really like something about their marketing or whatever it is, and they just shut your account down. And once it is shut down, it's very difficult to make it open it again. It's literally very difficult, and I don't really want anybody to experience those things. And to be honest with you, when I was starting with affiliate marketing, I started with Facebook ads, and I've got my ads account shut down after in the first week, literally. And it's not like your Facebook ad is cancelled or suspended, shut down. It's the whole account shut down. So that was a really big red flag for me, and that's why I moved into a different ways of getting traffic. Now the second method is the free method. Now with the free method, you are not spending that much money or any money on ads or traffic. Now on the other hand, if you are not spending money, then you are going to spend your time instead of it. You gotta understand, you're either spending your money, or you're either spending your money or time on a particular business, right? So with Facebook and with the free method of Facebook, the way how to literally do and start affiliate marketing with Facebook with a free method is to get into the Facebook groups, find out the category which you are promoting. So think about the category, and then just type in the search box in the Facebook that particular keywords which are referring to your particular niche, right? And so get into as many groups as possible, like literally as many. Now I'm talking about 50 groups, 100 groups, and so on. The more the better, right? Because free method is all about quantity and consistency, and we're going to talk about the consistency just in a second. So with the quantity, it's all about the number of Facebook groups you are in. And obviously don't join 50 groups at one time, right? Because then Facebook will just block you. Do it after some time. Do it like 10 groups in 1 hour, 10 groups in the next hour, and so on. Leave some rest in it, because otherwise Facebook will know something is not wrong, something is wrong, right? And so if you are in these groups, then what you want to do is post in these groups, in all of them, on a regular basis. And I'm talking about daily regular basis. Post something, and the idea and the secret is to be very different from everybody else in those groups. That will ensure that you are head and shoulders above the rest of people, and you will stand out. Now the way how to do this is by basically recording videos, and this is the way I found very, very effective, to be honest with you. And the idea behind that, and the reason why it's so successful, videos and live videos especially, is that not many people are willing to record videos of themselves talking to basically a bunch of strangers on Facebook group, right? So that's basically the idea behind that, and people just want to see it. And especially live videos are way more successful than even regular videos, even though regular videos are very, very successful comparing to any other way you can promote on Facebook. And now, with the free method, it's all about the consistency. So don't expect results in like 2 or 3 days, even 1 week or 2 weeks. Just keep doing, keep posting each day, every day, keep recording and uploading the videos into the group, and then you will see the results, because that's how there is like a time space when it just clicks in their minds, in the people's minds, that, oh, I've already seen this person here numerous times. I'm going to check him out. I really like his videos. I'm gonna check out his offer. And that's how you will get more and more leads, more and more customers, and so on. So let me just check my notes. I think we've covered all what is there to say. And yes, just one good advice: if you're doing the free method with Facebook, do something that I call a 30-day challenge, which means post a video each day, every day, during those 30 days of that challenge in the Facebook group, and don't expect any results. Do this, and you will see where it will bring you. I can really tell you that it makes wonders. And just without the expectations, because if you have expectation even after two posted videos, then your mood will just drop down, and you will not be willing to do the next video and next video. That's exactly what happened to me as well. So just keep going, keep recording those videos in that 30-day challenge, and then after 30 days you will see huge results. So this is it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got lots of value from this video. And listen, if you are interested in affiliate marketing, if you want to learn more about how to successfully build an affiliate marketing business, and you want to learn what kind of strategies to implement into your business that really sell and that will make you, head and shoulders above the competition, then I highly encourage you to click the link in the description. It's the first link in the description, and you will get full access to my 4-day free video series, which I've created for all of you guys who are interested in affiliate marketing. And each day you will learn something new about affiliate marketing, what kind of strategies to implement, how to be, how to stand out and be head and shoulders above the rest, and how to build literally the relationship between you and the customer, so they will buy anything from you. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Give me thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. I strive to deliver each day a new content, new video for all of you guys. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.